Hi, my name is April Burridge-Ball, and I am the host of the American Dream TV show. And today we're in Clearwater in Sharon Oaks, and we're going to visit a nice little home over there here on the water. Come on, let's go look at it. As you turn onto Bel Air Road, you're greeted by a breathtaking row of grand oaks, their branches stretching overhead like nature's red carpet, welcoming you into one of Clearwater's most beautiful neighborhoods. Just beyond the canopy lies a serene waterfront community where timeless charm meets the magic of Florida living. Tucked along a quiet canal, this beautiful home offers direct water access and a short scenic boat ride to the open waters of Tampa Bay. Here, your backyard is launching pad for sunset cruises, fishing adventures, and a lazy days on the water. Inside, you'll find bright, open living spaces filled with natural light, perfect for both relaxing and entertaining. This is truly a rare blend of tranquility, convenience, and the kind of beauty that you just can't build anymore. Welcome home to your slice of paradise.
Hi, April.
Hi, nice to see you out here.
So great to see you.
What a beautiful day.
This is gorgeous. This is why we live in paradise.
Right.
To enjoy beautiful sunny days like today.
So what can you tell me about this land of water that we're sitting here on this dock?
So this is beautiful Allen's Creek, and it's direct access to Tampa Bay. And we have lots of wildlife out here. There's manatees, stingrays. We have a family of otters.
So I'm excited for you to show us the inside. Let's go.
All right, let's do it.
What is your favorite part about the Tampa Bay area?
Oh, absolutely. There's lots of great aspects of living in Tampa Bay. You know, we get to live where others vacation, and it's easy to say the beaches. However, one of my favorite parts of living here is the springs. We have beautiful freshwater springs, 72 degrees all year long.
I know you started a new adventure, which is going to tie in with your real estate, so with food and travel. So do you want to tell us about that?
I would love to. Yes, I'm a chef as well, and I've started a culinary tourism company called Eat, Sip, Travel. And basically I take, two of the most fun things in the world, your food and culinary arts, and travel, and put them together. So think of making fresh pasta with the Nonna and her kitchen in Italy, wine tasting, cheese making, all things foodie and travel together.
Thank you so much for joining us at that beautiful home in Sharon Oaks in Clearwater. We're just a little bit further north at Café Massé that just opened up. So we're going to go inside and see what the chef has in store for us. So come on in. So thank you, Chef, for letting us come in today. As you know, you're one of my favorite restaurants since you opened a couple weeks ago. And who do you have here?
This is my daughter, Alina.
Hi, Alina. So I've seen her here a lot. She helps out quite a bit, and rumor has it she's the boss.
Yeah, she's the front house manager. With all this money with me.
So tell me, what got you started here at this location and going out on your own?
I never wanted to have a restaurant. I tried to get out many times, and it just kind of kept happening. It just kept coming back to me over and over again. This is what I was supposed to do. So I'm trained in various forms of Italian. So on the menu, you'll see things from southern Italy to northern Italy, from Florence to Tuscany to Calabria, and you'll see New York and Chicago and Philadelphia. Like a lot of chefs that are from Italy are bound by certain rules. I don't have those. I try to keep it as traditional as I can, and I stick to certain techniques that are necessary, but I'm not bound by them.
So tell us what you're going to cook today.
Right now, we're going to make a rigatoni alla vodka.
Yummy.
Hot oil. This is pancetta and guanciale with a nice golden brown, and vodka. A little bit of cream.
That looks amazing for sure. So the mural is it Italy or is it Puerto Rico? What is it, right?
From what I understand, this is Medina, Italy. Since it was a Puerto Rican place before, I'm pretty sure Diego Perez, who signed over there, put that bird, the sailboats in the back. And this fort here is actually in San Juan, Puerto Rico. I had a different vision for the restaurant, but I decided to match the pink green on the mural for the rest of the restaurant. And just kind of built off of that.
You did a tremendous job. And it's very warm and inviting and still gives elegance.
I was shooting very strongly for an upscale casual restaurant. That way, no matter who you are, what will like of our, the menu is built that way, where you can get lasagna, or you can get the salmon champagne, or you can get a filet mignon. I want people to be able to walk in wearing a polo and flip-flops, so they can come in wearing a suit on date night. Whatever they feel comfortable, whatever kind of dish that they would like, whatever region of Italy they'd like, that we can provide.
That's so awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you for joining me. I'm April Burridge Ball, your host with the American Dream TV show, and I can't wait to see you next time.